I am the matriarch of the family. And NuSpecies is made strictly from my lifestyle. If you start to take NuSpecies, I am quite sure that you will be able to live, be my age, and I intend to live, or I would like to live, under the condition of taking NuSpecies, that I will be here for another 10, 15 years, that I have lived to become 93 years young. I'm still going, still kicking. I walk, I read without a glasses. I don't need a glass to string a needle. I knit, I sew. If I make you a suit now, it will be the best fitting suit you will ever wear in your life at my 93 years old. When I walk a mile, I am not feeling tired when I get home. I feel that I could go back out and do another mile. Just have a little of the NuSpecies, I will walk another mile and a half. So, I'm 93 years old and I feel I'm young in my mind. I don't forget nothing. If you think I forget, you're just thinking wrong. Or I'm plain dumb. But my memory is very, 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 very good.
Can your body keep up with your mind?
Of course it can, as long as I am drinking NuSpecies. And I would advise young and old to try this NuSpecies. It is just majestic. It's so good and it's real.